Okay, this problem right here actually took me quite a minute to solve, and there's actually quite a few hiccups on it. So I'll just start from the beginning. How I started normally? So there's three tables. Let's see. Let me just refresh this. There's three different tables which we need to connect to get to where we need to. So this is like was the main concern for me. So first, what I'm gonna do is let's see. First, join all the tables, right? So that's fairly simple. Do a select, do a good old fashioned select, and then we'll select this right here from, and then we'll just have it as A and join. Okay, and then we'll join on the next table, which will be link projects, which will be a B, and then we'll be joining on. So it would be this is since this is the project table, we want to join on a project ID. So we'll do AID equals to B project ID. Is it spelled out all the way? Yeah, okay. Okay, so we got that. So those two first tables should be connected. So now we need another table, join, and I'll be join this table right here, which will be C table, and we'll go on B imp ID will equal to C. I think it's just ID since it's just yep. Okay, so now we got that down. So this will be our subquery. And we'll name it ABC. So we'll have a select, which will select budget. And let's see, we're gonna need a title. Oh yeah, from. Okay, so we got that. So this is running. This is good. We'll do like this. Move it over here. Okay, so now this is where the tricky part comes in. So what I was struggling with is I guess there's actually mathematical formula you gotta apply here, and you have to convert date columns into actual dates. So this would go something like this. So we'll have a budget. Actually, we'll do a title first because we're going to need a title to pull from. Then we're going to need the budget to pull from. And this is where it gets tricky. I think this is the hardest part of this problem, really. So now we have to have, we'll start with end date, which will be date minus start date. Okay, but that's not enough. So now there's another part of this problem equation that needs to be added on, which will be multiplied by let's see, it will be multiplied by sum of salary, which is divided by each day in the year, which is 365, which will be saved as ABC budget. Okay, yeah, and we're going to need since now we have an aggregate in here, this will not suffice. We're going to have to drop a group by, which will have to include a title, a budget, end date, and start date. So we got that going on. And now we gotta put this right. Okay, so another problem which I had, which what I was doing right here, I was doing round ABC budget. And let's see. So I would run it. Okay, so it seems like it's working. Let me see if this. Okay, so it's not quite expected output here. Let's let me. Oh yeah. I forgot the last part of this, which will be. So we need to select where the budget, the actual budget is more than allocate, like more than budget was expected budget. Okay, so which will be where ABC budget is greater than an actual budget, well, expected budget, and we'll run it, and then order by let me see, check solution. Okay, then we'll order by title. Okay, so let's see the output. The expected output is, okay, so we're pretty much here, right? Looks like it's correct. So we got the same numbers. Let's see. And I was like, okay, why is it not working? Why am I not be able to actually get what I need right here? What's the problem? Because it does seem like I'm getting all the right answers. So this all seems to be matching up. I can't really, I mean, I guess I could, if I had every single answer shown to me in in all these columns, I would be able to just go over manually, I suppose. But you know, sometimes it's not really possible, right? It's too much. So the trick is to actually, and I kind of cheated. I went in and I looked to what I needed to actually do, and you have to put in a ceiling. So the difference between ceiling and round is ceiling always essentially either equate to what the number you have or will round up. So if let's say you have 15, it will, or like let's say actually, yeah, 15. It will not go to 10. It will always go to 20 if you write into 20. So, but with ceiling, with round, it there's like, if it's 14, like if you're 14 trying to write into 20, it might go to 10 because it's on the other side, right? So that's what I think some of my budget got converted down to below what it actually is. So that's why I was not getting answers. So ceiling is the correct term here, which I never actually used before. So it's something new, and it should work now. Yep, it's working now. So it's something to watch out for. Something, I never used this term before. It's my first time seeing it, but something to think about.